Hi students, welcome to Scholarship for YouTube channel. So today I came on this dais to solve some important questions that was asked in the previous competitive exams like SSC, Common Defense Services, CSAT, and also the same pattern is being followed by the state government exams. Okay, so let us solve some questions. Right, the very first question is if x power 10 value equal to 5 and x power 9 by y is equal to 555. Okay, and what is asking? Is asking to find the value of 1 by xy. Okay, so let us solve this question. So just you divide this statement by x on both sides. Okay, just you divide this statement by x on both sides. Right, so there is an identity that is a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, so just you apply this identity here. So here we can write it as 1. So x power 10 by x power 1 equal to x power 9. Okay, so x power 9 value is equal to 5 by x. So this is the first equation. Just you put this equation in this equation. Okay, so x power 9 value equal to 5 by x. X power 9 value equal to 5 by x, and already here I left with 1 by y. So I'm writing it as 1 by y. This value is equal to how much? 5555. Okay, so you can cancel this 5555 with this 5. So 5 ones are 5 one time, one time, one time, one time. Okay, so at last I left with 1 by xy is equal to 1111. Okay, so it's asking to find the value of 1 by xy. So 1 by xy value equal to 1111. Okay, so option B is right answer. Option B is right answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve the simplification questions. Okay, now let us go with another question. So the question is simplify the expression given below. He has given that root of 9 power 36. Okay, but look at the options here. He has given options in terms of 9. Okay, the very first option is 9 cube, and the second option is 9 power 6, and third option is 9 power 9, and the fourth option is 69,420. Okay, so try to solve the answer. I mean that you can put your answer in terms of 9 some exponent, because of there are so many options here in terms of 9. Okay, so here we have root of 9 power 36. So this 9 power 36 I am writing same as this. Okay, so root I can write it as 1 by 2, and a whole root is there. So here I can write it as 1 by 2. Okay, so there is an identity that is a power m whole power n whole power some z can be written as a power m into n into z. A power m into n into z. Okay, just to apply this identity in this equation. Okay, so you are going to get it as 9 power 36 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 value equal to 1 by 4. So 36 by 4 you are going to get it as 9. Okay, so 9 power 9 is your answer. 9 power 9 is your answer. Okay, so option C is right answer. Option C is right answer. Okay, so let us solve another question in the same way. Solve the value of x. Solve the value of x, and here is given the equation that is root 7 power of root power 24 minus root x is equal to 49. Okay, whenever we observe this question, here we have two terms, one is base and one is exponent. Okay, but here we have only base. Okay, so try to equate the bases. Try to equate the bases. Okay, then automatically base powers will become equal, or exponents will become equal. Okay, so this 49 can be written as root 7 whole power 4. 49 can be written as, sorry, 49 can be written as root 7 whole power 4. Okay, so I'm writing it as root 7 root of 24 minus root x is equal to, so root 7 whole power 4. Root 7 whole power 4. Root 7 whole power 4 equal to 49. Okay, so here already bases are equal, then powers has to become equal because of there is an equal to symbol in between. I mean that in between LHS and RHS. Okay, so you can equate the powers, that will be root of 24 minus root x is equal to 4. Okay, so he is asking to find the value of x. Try to eliminate all these roots. Apply square root on both sides. Sorry, apply square on both sides. Okay, if you apply square on both sides, so square and square root get cancelled. So you will be left with 24 minus root x is equal to 16. Shift 16 to LHS and shift root x value to RHS. Okay, so you will get root x value is equal to 8. Root x value is equal to how much? 8. But what is the question is asking? Is asking to find the value of x, not root x. Okay, so in the examination he may ask to find the value of root x. Okay, or in the examination he may ask to find the value of x. Okay, so according to question you have to get the answer. Okay, but if we got root x value equal to 8, but he's asking to find the value of x. Okay, again you apply square on both sides. So if you apply square on both sides, you will get x value equal to 8 square. So x value equal to how much? 64. X value equal to 64. Okay, so option C is right answer. I mean that the x value equal to 64. Okay. In the same way, let us solve another question that was asked in the CSAT examination. Sorry, Combined Defense Services examination. So let us see the question. The question is, if I is equal to root of -1, then I plus I square plus I cube by I cube plus I power 4 plus I power 5. Okay, where here I value is given it as root of -1, where root of -1 is nothing but a imaginary number. It is an imaginary number. Okay, so first in the numerator get I as common. Okay, so I as common, you are going to get 1 plus I square by, again you get in the denominator you get I cube as common, so you are going to get 1 plus I square. Okay, so in the numerator and denominator there is a same term, so you can cancel that same term. Okay, so at last I left with I by I cube. Okay, so you can use an identity, that is a power m by a power n, that equal to a power m minus n. Okay, so if you apply that identity on this equation, you will get I power minus 2. So this I power minus 2 can be written as 1 by I square. I power minus 2 can be written as 1 by I square. Okay, already he has given that I value equal to root of -1. So apply square on both sides. So I square value equal to square root get cancelled. So I square value equal to how much? -1. So you can put this I square value as -1. So 1 by -1. So at last you are going to get -1 as answer for this question. Okay, so your option A is correct answer, right? So for more interesting questions, just you hit the subscribe button. Thank you one and all.